Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Porsche Boxster Headlight. Start by disconnecting the battery and placing the steering at full lock to access fasteners, then gather T25 and T30 Torx bits, a trim pry tool, gloves, and a soft cover for the fender. Work on one side at a time, keep fasteners organized in a labeled tray, and take photos for reassembly. If you feel unsure, pause and consult a service manual. I'll walk through removal steps clearly and calmly, starting with wheel arch liners and inner trim removal to expose headlight mounting bolts. Remove the 3 Torx bolts, unclip electrical connectors with care, and support the lamp while pulling it forward. If your Boxster has a washer reservoir in the way, lightly move it aside instead of forcing parts. Label connectors before removal. Keep bulbs covered and wear gloves to protect surfaces and wiring. With bolts removed, gently pull the headlight housing forward until you reach the electrical plug. Press the connector tab, wiggle the plug free, and set the housing on a padded surface to avoid scratches. If replacing the bulb, remove retaining clips carefully and avoid touching glass with bare hands. Reinstall in reverse order, tighten bolts to hands snug, reconnect battery last, and test beam aim and washer function before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.